Hello and welcome to today's August 5th second stimulus check update and second stimulus package update. According to both Democrats and Republicans, we are getting very close to a final bill, and we've had some very good progress, which I plan to share with you on today's video regarding the stimulus check, unemployment, and the entire stimulus package. If you're a subscribed member of my community, then welcome back. And if you're not, consider subscribing right now. All right, as of right now, both Democrats and Republicans are saying they could have a bill ready to vote on in the next 72 hours, but certainly by Friday, they're hoping to have a vote. Negotiations have continued each day in Washington between House Speaker Nancy Pelosi and Senator Chuck Schumer, and then from the White House, Chief of Staff Mark Meadows and Secretary of Treasury Steve Mnuchin. These negotiations have been ongoing, and each day they are saying they made more and more progress and found common ground on more and more areas. Now, it was announced today that the bill could be done by the end of this week, but regardless, the Senate will not leave Washington next week until this bill is finalized and sent up to President Trump. So we are getting very, very close. Okay, so as of right now, it looks like there could be a targeted second round of PPP money to businesses with less than 300 employees and an income decline of 50% or more. This means that law firms, celebrities, and hedge funds can't sneak millions of dollars from the Treasury. The PPP money would actually go to small businesses in need. Now, this is very important because small businesses employ 50% of the American workforce. So that means these small little companies need so much support because half of us work for them, right? Like, I'm a small business. I don't have a big company with tons of money behind me when things get hard. So that's what a lot of these American businesses are up against. And so that second round of PPP money is very important. We also know that the second round of stimulus checks will be $1,200. Like, that's a done deal for adults, and it's looking like $500 for children and for adult dependents. Now, this is similar to the first stimulus check, which helped 160 million Americans. However, if dependents are included and college-age students, that means that around 185 million Americans would get a stimulus check this next time around. Earlier this week, it looked as if unemployment was going to continue, but at a rate of around $200 per week. As we got further into the week, I started reading numbers like $400 a week or even $500 a week. However, Senate Majority Mitch McConnell said that he could support extending the $600 a week unemployment insurance benefit in the next coronavirus relief package, so long as President Trump backs the measure. So he wants to do what the president wants to do. McConnell continued, wherever things settle between the President of the United States and his team that has to sign this into law, I am prepared to support. So he's now just saying whatever the president wants to do, that they support that. Now, we know that President Trump has said he wants those stimulus checks, and he is not opposed to the higher unemployment while people get back to work. So I think things are heading in a good direction there. Some of this could be due to the fact that the July numbers are now coming out, and it's looking like the large job increase that we saw in the month of June did not repeat in the month of July. We've also had over 1 million people filing for unemployment 19 weeks in a row. So it appears that the Senate is starting to see the need to help out the American worker to comfortably get through this pandemic until they can get back to work. Finally, Mitch McConnell said, we know this is going to be a negotiated settlement. It's not going to produce a kumbaya moment like we had back in March and April where everybody voted aye. But the American people, in the end, need help. So that's all good news coming out today. So Will it end up back at the $600 per week, or will it be settled closer to $400 or $500? I guess we'll know in the next 72 hours, but I will continue to keep you updated as information comes out. I'm personally hoping to see a bill or a piece of a bill passed this week, voted upon, and sent up to President Trump. Hey, if you found this video helpful, will you do me a favor and give it a like? That way YouTube will share it with others, and please share this on social media. Now, just as a reminder, I won't be doing my weekly Wednesday night show tonight, but I will be releasing an interview that I did that is chock full of smart money tips and really good information. So if you want to watch that, I'll have timestamps so that you can flow through it and go through that information. But lastly, I just want to remind you that you are amazing. I appreciate you being in my community, and I'll see you on the next video.